Welcome everyone to today's episode. We're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and a little mysterious, the hidden job market. If you ever wondered why so many of the best jobs in the pharma and biotech industry never seem to be posted online, you're not alone. In fact, a significant portion of life science roles are filled through the channels that aren't visible to the general public. These are the jobs that are shared through internal referrals, exclusive networks, or confidential searches. So what exactly is hidden job market and why does it exist? And most importantly, how can you, whether you're a job seeker or a hiring manager, tap into it? That's what we're going to explore today. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear understanding of how the job market works and how you can leverage it to your advantage, whether you're a candidate, a manager, or a recruiter. So the main points today will be how the internal referrals dominate pharma hiring, the importance of networking over traditional application process, and of course, working with recruiters to access confidential openings, the impact of exclusive talent pipelines, and how candidates can tap into hidden opportunities. Let's start by talking about internal referrals. In pharma and biotech industry, internal referrals dominate the hiring landscape. Why? Because companies trust their employees to recommend candidates who are not only qualified, but are also a good cultural fit. It's a win-win. The company gets a pre-vetted candidate and the employee gets the referral bonus. But this also means that many roles are filled before they even go public. So if you're not networking with the industry, you could miss out on some of these opportunities. And that brings us to the importance of networking. In the life sciences, you can be just as important as you know. Networking isn't just about attending conferences or adding people on LinkedIn. It's about building genuine relationships. When you're top of the mind for someone in your network, you're more likely to hear about opportunities that aren't public or advertised. So if you're a job seeker, start reaching out to former colleagues, mentors, and industry peers. And if you're a hiring manager, don't underestimate the power of your own network to find top talent. Now let's talk about working with recruiters. Recruiters, especially those who specialize in life sciences, often have access to confidential openings that aren't advertised. These roles might be part of a company succession planning or might be highly specialized positions that are equipped or require a discreet search. By building relationships with recruiters, you can gain access to these hidden opportunities. But remember, it's a two-way street. Be clear about what you're looking for and make sure your resume or CV is up to date as much as your LinkedIn. Another key aspect of hidden job market is exclusive talent pipeline. Some companies maintain a list of pre-vetted candidates, people they've met at conferences, worked with on a project, or been referred to by a trusted source. When the roles are opened, these candidates are the first to be considered. So how do you get onto those lists? It's all about visibility, attending events, contributing to leadership, and making sure your professional brand stands out. Finally, let's talk about how candidates can tap into the hidden opportunities. It's not just about networking, it's about being proactive, reaching out to companies you admire. Even if they're not hiring at the moment, let them know you're interested in working with them and why. You might just catch their attention at the right time. So what can we take away from all of this? For job seekers, they take away is pretty simple. Networking is king. Start building and nurturing your professional relationships today. Attend events, connect with recruiters, and don't be afraid to reach out to companies directly. And for hiring managers, the hidden job market is a gold mine of untapped talent. Invest in building relationships with recruiters, encourage employees to do referrals, and consider creating your own talent pipeline. Here are a few actionable tips to get started. For job seekers, update your LinkedIn profile, attend virtually or in-person industry events, and set up informational interviews with people in your target companies. They're called discovery calls. For hiring managers, encourage your team to refer candidates, partner with specialized recruiters, and consider hosting networking events to build your talent pool. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever landed a job through a hidden market? Or have you found success in tapping into exclusive talent pipelines? Share your stories in the comments. Take our poll or suggest a topic for a future episode. Let's keep conversation going. Thank you very much.